How do sports dietitians address disordered eating in athletes? Imagine a young athlete who trains hard every day but starts to develop strange eating habits that could hurt their health and performance. What can be done? That's where sports dietitians step in to help. They use their specialized knowledge in nutrition and sports science to support athletes facing these issues. Their first step is to spot signs early, like sudden weight changes, obsession with calorie counting, or skipping meals. Recognizing these signs early can prevent more serious problems down the line. Once they identify disordered eating, sports dietitians work closely with the athlete to create personalized nutrition plans. These plans focus on meeting energy needs without encouraging restrictive behaviors. They teach athletes how to fuel properly before, during, and after training, so they stay energized and recover well. Instead of strict, rigid meal plans, they promote flexible eating strategies that fit the athlete's sport, lifestyle, and personal preferences. This helps rebuild a healthy relationship with food and reduces anxiety around eating. Sports dietitians also team up with mental health professionals like sports psychologists. This collaboration addresses the emotional and psychological pressures that might lead to disordered eating. Coaches and academic staff are also involved to ensure the athlete's environment supports healthy habits. For example, they might educate coaches on how to spot warning signs and encourage balanced training schedules to prevent overtraining. In practical terms, dietitians may screen athletes regularly for disordered eating signs, especially since many athletes might not realize they have a problem. They teach athletes about the risks of poor eating habits and how proper nutrition boosts both health and performance. Developing individual plans that support energy needs while avoiding harmful restrictions is key. They also keep communication open, so athletes feel comfortable sharing concerns and progress. If necessary, they refer athletes to specialized treatment programs for eating disorders. For student athletes juggling sports and school, this approach is especially important. Proper nutrition helps their brains stay sharp for studies and keeps their bodies ready for competition. Sports dietitians help manage the stress of balancing both worlds by encouraging sustainable eating habits. This way, athletes can perform well in their sport and excel academically without risking their health. In short, sports dietitians address disordered eating by offering expert, tailored nutritional care. They work within a team to support the athlete physically, mentally, and academically. Their goal is to help athletes develop healthy eating patterns that keep them strong, focused, and ready to succeed in all areas of life.